Hey guys, so I got a new camera. It's a GoPro Black 7. This is my Lancer. Got the good old Amazon fart can on her. I got another off-road light. This one's a 6-inch. Got another one. It's about 12.5. It's going to go in between these guys here. Wire it all up. And yeah, so let's go for a little rip. Alright guys, so if you like my new GoPro setup, let me know. But for now I'm just hitting up the back roads, just having fun, getting away from everything and all that, you know what I mean? This is what I usually do, is start off slow, get a hang of everything, and then go a little bit quicker. Be cool to do some rally roads, but you know, so I don't get any tickets and all that, but it is what it is. A lot of people are not out here. You see a car there, so I'm just gonna slow down. I'm already doing 50 kilometers, so take her easy past these guys. Don't want to break any windshields or anything. A lot of idiots don't know about, you know, slowing down and moving over. So but yeah guys, so that was like a little intro to my camera and stuff, my car. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, you know, now that I got a good camera to do it all. Like I said before, I was using my Galaxy A8 first, my BlackBerry Key 2 LE, and then a Sony video camera, and it was just no good whatsoever. So yeah, so if you like these type of videos, I could do more of them, or you know, whatever. Yep, so don't forget to like, subscribe for more and all that fun stuff.